Good day, students. I'm Sylvia Naveed, your maths teacher of class 4. Today our topic is prime factorization. Prime factorization from page number 34 and 35 from your book, Synth Textbook Book. Students, today we will learn to factorize a number by using prime factors. Today we will learn to factorize a number by using prime factors. But before that, we have to learn that what is prime factorization. Prime factorization है क्या? Okay, students. Here I will tell you that what is prime factorization. The process of writing numbers as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. I repeat again, the process of writing numbers as a product of its prime factors is called prime factorization. Students, here I will tell you that there are two methods of prime factorization. We can do prime factorization with two methods. Method number one is factor tree method, and method number two is division method. There are two methods, factor tree method and division method. Students, over here you can see the example number one. We have to factorize 12 into its prime factors. We have to factorize 12 into its prime factors. What number? We have to factorize 12. We write 12 over here. This is the first step of this example. This is the first step. Let us now go down the tree by thinking of the factors that make 12. We have to think about the numbers that will make the factors of 12. That we will do in the next slide. Here, students, this is step number 2. What we do here, we already have write the number 12 over here because we have to find out the prime factors of 12. In the first step, what we will do, here the factors of 12 are 2 and 6. We have to factorize 12 with 2 and 6. What we will do here, 2 and 6. We find the factors of 12, prime factors of 12 with 2 and 6. You see, 2, 6 are 12. 2, 6 are 12. But over here we can see that 2 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. 2 is a prime number, but 6 is a composite number. So what we will do, we can break 6 down to its prime factors. We will break 6 into more numbers. Like we see that 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Here you can see we get all the prime numbers here. 3 is also a prime number, 2 is also a prime number, and 2 is also a prime number. So what happens here, students? We find 2, we find 2, we find 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 are the prime factors of 12. What are the prime factors of 12, students? 2, 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 12. Mind it, remember it. We will do it in the next slide. That we found that the prime factors of 12 were 2, 2 and 3. But in this, the same example is going on, students. We would know that 12 could be factorized with 3 and 4 also. See, we could have also taken 3 and 4 as factors of 12. We can factorize 12 with 3 and 4 also. I would write over here. We have to factorize 12 with 3 and 4. 3 multiply with 4. 3 multiply with 4. And what happens here? 3 is a prime number. We got two numbers here. One is 3, but 3 is a prime number. And what happens with 4? 4 is a composite number. 4 is a composite. 3 is a prime number, so we will underline it. And what we will do with 4? We have to break it down more with more factors. So we will see here that 2 2s are 4. We can break down 4 into 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. We can break 4 into its prime factors, 2 and 2. Now 2 and 2 have become the prime numbers. So you see again, students, first we factorize 12 with 2 and 6. Over there we got 2 and 3. Now again we factorize 12 with 3 and 4, and again the answer is same. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. You can see here 2, 2 and 3. 2, 2 and 3. So over here you have to remember, students, that prime factors can never be composite numbers. Remember, students, prime factors can never be the composite numbers. The prime factors of all the numbers should always be prime numbers. जैसे 2, 2 and 3 are the prime numbers. Composite numbers can be break down further, but prime numbers cannot be break down further. Over there, in the last slide, we factorized 12. In this slide, we will factorize 24 into its prime factors with factor tree method. That also was the factor tree method. This also is a factor tree method. This method is also called factor tree method. वो भी factor tree method था, और ये भी factor tree method ही है, लेकिन इसमें tree थोड़ा सा different है. उसमें ट्री डिफरेंट था, इसमें ट्री डिफरेंट है. इसमें हम देखेंगे 24 को हम कितनी दफ़ा फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं और किस किस नंबर से कर सकते हैं. वी विल सी दैट इन ए that we can factorize 24 with, first we will factorize 24 with 3 and 8. See students, we are factorizing 24 with 3 and 8. We got two numbers over here, 3 and 8. 3 is a prime number over here. We cannot break it anymore. But 8 is not a prime number. 8 is a composite number. So we have to break it further. Now break 8. 2 4s are 8. We write over here 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. You can see here 2 4s are 8. Now when we break 8 into more factors, what numbers we find here? We find 2 and 4. You can see here that we cannot break 2 anymore. So 2 is a prime number, prime factor of 8. But the second number that we found in factorizing 8, that was 4. So 4 is a composite number. That means we can break 4 further. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4, students. You can see 2 2s are 4. Now what numbers come here? 2 and 2. So as you all know that we cannot break 2 anymore. That means 2 is a prime number. So how many factors of 24 are there? 2, 2, 2 and 3. When the prime numbers come, That means we cannot break the number anymore, and the prime numbers are there. That means these are the prime factors of 24. Prime factors of 24 are 2, 2 and 3. As you can see here, we solved it over here. Now students, we will factorize 24 one more time. Once again with 2 and 12. We will factorize 24 with 2 and 12. As you all know that 2 12s are 24. 2 12s are 24. Two numbers are here, 2 and 12. 2 is a prime number, but 12 is a composite number, so we have to break 12 further. How? Like this. 2 6 are 12. Two numbers come. One is a prime number and one is a composite number. Leave the prime number as it is, but break composite number more with 2 3s are 6. You can see we break 6 more with 2 3s are 6. Over here you see 24, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Now we cannot break these numbers anymore, so these are the prime factors of 24. 2 2 2 3. Here you can see again prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. You can understand 24 factorization of 24 and more time. With the 4 and 6 you can multiply 24 with 4 6 24. Again we receive two numbers, but 4 is not a prime number and 6 also is not a prime number. Both are composite numbers. That means we have to break them more. First we will break 4 here. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. See, 2 and 2. 2 2s are 4. And now we will break 6 more. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 for this. Students, I make you remember that for this, to solve these sums, you have to learn tables very keenly and attentively, so you can solve all these sums. See, the prime numbers has come 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2 2 and 3. That means prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. Whether you solve them with 3 and 8, whether you factorize them with 2 and 12, whether you factorize them with 4 and 6, answer would be the same. In A question you see 2 2 2 and 3, the same here, 2 2 2 and 3. Here you factorize it with 2 and 12, answer is 2 2 2 and 3. Answer is 2 2 2 and 3. Over here you factorize 24 with 4 and 6. Answer again comes same. 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2 2 and 3. So with this example you understand that you factorize the number with the how many pairs, but the answer would be same always. Division method is a second method of prime factorization, and in this example we will learn about the division method. For here I had written two examples. Over here you can see example number 1. In example number 1, what we will do, we will factorize 12 with division method. Previously we have solved the sum, we found the sum, we found the factorization with factor tree method, but in this slide we will learn how to factorize number with division method. And in example 2 we will factorize 24 with division method. In the previous slides you factorize the 12 and 24 with factor tree method. In this slide, in division method, you will factorize 12 and 24. The same numbers. Numbers are the same, which we have done previously. So we will factorize 12 first. We have to find the factors of 12 with division method. So over here you have to make an LCM. जैसे आपको सबको आता है. Okay, over here. What happens here, student? We have to learn how we will divide 12 with 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12. Since 2 6 are 12 over here. Now 2 3s are 6. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And 3 1s are 3. See, the prime factors are here. Prime factors are here. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Here are the prime numbers and here are the prime numbers 2, 2 and 3. The prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. We can write over here prime factors of 12 are 2, 2 and 3. Understood, students? I hope you can see the slide clearly over here. Now let's do example number 2. That is 24. We have to factorize 24 with division method. We will write 24 here and make the LCM sign. I would try to draw a straight line by myself without scale. Okay, you can see here 24. 2 12s are 24. We will write over here 2 12s are 24. Again we have to break 12 down. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Again here 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So we got all the prime numbers here. 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2 2 and 3. Prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. We write over here prime factors of 24 are 2 2 2 and 3. The multiply, okay? 2 2 2 and 3. 2 2 2 and 3. Understood, students? I hope you understand here both the methods. Method number 1 was factor tree method. फैक्टर ट्री मेथड से आपने किसी भी नंबर के फैक्टर्स प्राइम फैक्टर्स कैसे पता करने हैं, और सेकंड मेथड था डिवीजन मेथड, वो आपके सामने है, जिसमें आपको पता करना था कि आपने किसी भी नंबर के प्राइम फैक्टर्स किस तरह से मालूम करने हैं विद डिवीजन मेथड. अगर आपको दोनों मेथड्स अच्छी तरह से समझ आ गए हैं तो अब टाइम है होमवर्क का. Now it's time to do the homework, and the homework is exercise 2.4 from your book, page number 35. Page number 35, exercise 2.4, question number 1 is factorize the following numbers using the factor tree method. इस स्लाइड में से अगर आपको नंबर समझ आ रहे हैं तो अच्छी बात है, नहीं आए तो आप ये अपनी बुक के पेज नंबर 35 में से भी ढूंढ सकते हैं, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2.4. और जो उसका क्वेश्चन है फैक्टराइज द फॉलोइंग नंबर्स यूजिंग द फैक्टर ट्री मेथड. फैक्टर ट्री मेथड को यूज़ करते हुए आपने इन नंबर्स के फैक्टर्स ढूंढने हैं. एंड द नंबर्स आर 36, 54, 27, 45, 32 and 82. And in question number 2, you have to factorize the numbers using the division method. In this question, you have to use the division method and find the factors of these numbers. And the numbers are 63, 45, 72, 54, 38 and 90. And students, you have to do your homework in your copy. When your classes will be resumed, marks will be given on the basis of these home tasks and activities. Minded students, you have to do all your homeworks in your copies, and when you will come into the school, your marks will be given on the basis of these home tasks and activities. So now this is the end of this lesson, and I wish you all the best. Stay home, be safe. Thank you.